Important things to look for in your next apartment. The infamous apartment search. I think we can agree that there is almost nothing as important as your home, and searching for an apartment is right on that list. Now, while we all may know the obvious things to look for in an apartment like price, location, suburbs or city, and finishes, traditional or modern, there are a few high priority items that are not as obvious. Lucky for you, I have been in the game long enough to let you in on three important things I never forget to look for when touring apartments. And let me tell you, they have definitely saved me from making a bad decision. Plus, let's be honest, nobody wants to sign a lease and then realize their amazing apartment is, well, not as amazing as they thought it was. So, let's avoid that, shall we? Three important things to look for in your next apartment: window direction and lighting. We all love natural light, but unlike popular belief, not all windows are created equal. In fact, there is a science to the best type of natural light one can receive, and it all bubbles down to one thing: the direction the windows are facing. My last apartment had west facing windows, which means I didn't get much sunlight in the morning but a flood of golden rays in the evening. It was absolutely beautiful and helped me really appreciate my windows even more. If you are into a lot of natural light and bright apartments like myself, then having windows that face in the correct direction can lead to a very well lit space. On the contrary, if you don't like too much direct sunlight, then a different direction of a window will give you that even lit and temperature regulated space. So what window direction should I be on the lookout for? And what is the best direction from my windows to face? Well friend, you are in luck because I took the liberty to break it down for you. Window direction tips. Just like the sunset from the east to the west, the sun also shines into an apartment differently at different parts of the day. East-west facing windows tend to be the brightest in the morning, evening, respectively, and the light will be more of a warm golden tone. South-facing windows get a lot of direct sunlight and tend to be the brightest during the day. This can sometimes raise the temperature of your apartment since the rays shining in are the hottest of the day. North-facing windows tend to not have much direct sunlight at all and therefore will be a more darker but even lit room. North-facing windows are perfect for people that don't like too much direct sunlight. South north-facing windows will have more of a color-toned light. So, which direction should you choose? Well, that's up to your preferences. If you love walking up with the sun, you will love an east-facing window. If you love watching the sunset, you will like west-facing windows. If you don't like direct sunlight, then look for north-facing windows. And if you want an all-around bright space, go for south-facing windows. Either way, when looking for your next apartment, check to see what direction your window is facing and if it corresponds with your personal preferences and lifestyle. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, please subscribe to my channel How to Make Home.